Medical sensitivity to heart attacks, weekly surgery, or other conditions that may be aggravated by this ride. This ride employs safety restraints, which may restrict certain guests from riding even occupancy. Guests under
'Hello, I'm Steven Spielberg, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to the E.T. adventure. But I'm afraid we don't have much time, so I'm going to cut right to the chase. E.T. needs your help. Now, we've just received an urgent message from E.T.'s teacher, Botanicus, calling for E.T. to come home right away. You see, a big problem has developed 3 million light years away on E.T.'s home world, the Green Planet. E.T.'s friends are in danger because their planet is dying. Remember what E.T.'s friends look like, because it's going to be up to you to help E.T. find them once we get him home. And there's not a moment to lose, because only E.T.'s magic healing touch can save his friends and bring his planet back to health. E.T. must go home, and only you can help him. Oh, E.T. That's right, E.T. So why don't you show these people how we're going to get you back to the Green Planet? You and E.T. will be making your 3 million light year journey on these bikes, but don't worry, you don't have to pedal. But you will need an interplanetary passport. So before you leave E.T., tell your first name to one of our assistants, and they'll give you your pass. Oh, sounds like E.T.'s ready to go. So good luck, everyone. And remember, E.T.'s counting on you, and so am I. Oh, it's up to you to save his planet so that he may visit us again.
Jackson Springs.
There, in the bushes. What? The orange light. I see him. Come on, let's go.
Always follow the team member instructions. And that's all this is. Once you're before you're flying my
We've got some unauthorized people entering the base. Wait, they got ET.
They're getting away. Unit 3, come down.
They're coming out! This way! On the street! The orange light! I see them! Go! Let's go!
Got him. Bottom of the hill.
Mad dog.
You have saved our planet! Come, celebrate with us!
Goodbye, friend. Avery Wyatt. Cecilia. Nick.
He's sitting right next to us. That's what the door
Flash my water being low on the ET Adventure. Please turn off your flash.
Please remain seated, keeping hands and feet.
I'll be right here.
Where's our photos? What is this? This is like a whole set where you take pictures. Yeah.
Well, do you want to ride Colossus?
Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.